what it looked like, and it is still pushing its way through the city, towards Tempe, Glendale, and making its way from the south to the north to the downtown area. This is a wall of dust encompassing a massive area. So this storm is very strong and will make its way through. We also have a severe thunderstorm warning that goes till 8:15. The dust storm warning will go till 8:30. We have reports of a tree falling over and a porch in Pinal County with roof damage, more trees scattered along the road in Tempe. We also have tree limbs down across the road. Winds are very strong to create this type of dust.
And look outside the window. Let's just take a look.
Winds by the National Weather Service. Weather spotters are seeing a tremendous amount of damage. Behind it, heavy thunderstorms, a long line right towards the south. Sun Lakes also had a very strong report of a 60-mile
madness.
Stronger. This line of storms moving up just to the southeast, southwest of the valley. This will affect all the major areas. If you are
There's Justin's little hummingbird feeder and his freaking chimes.
Other pictures coming in. You will pictures from me sending in your Pixar.
They probably won't make it through the night.
It made its way in across parts of down to
Holy dust storm.
As it was rolling in about 6.
Oh my God.
And continued to build this thing.
Oh, there's the cats going crazy. It's just some dust, goofies. Stop it.
And more rain and thunderstorms. Now, if it rains on
Good Lord.
Mud rain. If you were stuck in any of this, with the visibility at times can drop to less.
Woo! God help. This is exciting. Kind of cool. I'm sorry, Cody. You can't go inside. You can't see Cody because this camera's kind of crappy and there's no light. But he's right here. Whatever. I'm not going to get him. It's all good. Check it out, though. This is pretty crazy. You can't even see my neighbor's house. Good Lord. How